Hi there, this is Alan. Welcome to my channel, Watch Whisper. What we've got here today is a Hamilton pocket watch, which isn't working. And what we're going to do today is disassemble it. Okay? Right. This, I'm taking off the glass bezel. Okay? And then I've got to take off the back. There you go. And there we have inside of it. Hope you can see it. If I get the camera working right. There you go. What we're going to do is take off, as you can see, we've taken off the watch bits there. Okay. Now I'm going to take off the dial. So bear with me. I have never done this before on this one. So bear with me. There you go. I found out to do it with these these there. If I get the screwdriver, hopefully I can do it. Okay. How do I get the dial off then? Little screws there, look. There we go. There's one screw. There's the other screw. And there should be... Is it just two screws? Let's have a try now then. Aha, there you go, we're getting there slowly. As you can see, I'm not wearing finger cuffs because it's my watch. Wow, there is the dial. It's a gorgeous dial. As if there's a little crack in it there, look. There. But that doesn't, that's the patina of the thing. It's gorgeous, look. There you go. Right. Now, I'm taking off the second hand. There you go. Bear with me with these because I do struggle with the part names and sometimes I don't know what I'm saying. So bear with me. There is the cannon pinion. Okay. There you go. There's the cannon pinion. There's the cannon pinion that I've just removed. Right, I think I'm going to leave. This is the lever setup. I'll see, that's how it works then. Okay. I'll take this off as well. If you can leave the comments below and tell me what these are please, because I do forget. but that looks okay. The reason why I forget is because my memory is not very good at all. Okay. There's a spring there that's broke. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Let's turn it onto the thingy side, on the front side. As you can see, I've got my minus 52 holder. Thank you for JD on YouTube channel for showing me where to find one. Now I'm going to take off the balance spring, which was really loose. I'm not sure if it's broken or what, but we'll soon find out. There is the screw for it. Let's see what this does. There you go. That's better. I'm not sure what this is like, but it looks pretty good to me. There you go. The balance stuff is broken. Now we know what's wrong with it. There you go. As you can see, the balance stuff is broken on that side. So that's another thing we've got to replace. Bear in mind, I have never ever done this watch before, so it's new to me. So this is live to me. The reason why it's took so long for me to do this watch is because I'm disabled and I have got a bad spine. This is the barrel bridge that is loose. There is a screw. As you can see, these screws are really loose. As you can see, this is a 17 jewel one as well, which I think is high quality in them days. I think so. There's the other screw for it. I think you take off the... Oh, look, that's beautiful. That it's gorgeous. Yeah. If you can leave the comments below what they are. I think this is the barrel bridge, and this is the barrel. There you go. Oh, have never ever seen this before, so this is new to me. Okay. If I leave that in there, because I think that's what it is, what it does. That. Right. I think now we take off the train bridge. So there's one screw there, one screw there. I think some of the parts are missing as well, because the regulator arm was missing too. This is one screw. You can see that. This is the second screw. That was loose. Bear with me, because I am new to watchmaking. I have actually done 3 courses from watchfix.com. Mark Lovell's course on the internet. I've done 3 of those and I've completed them. So I'm basic, but I know roughly how to do some of the watches. This one is the barrel bridge. Safety pins there. There you go. How's that for the barrel bridge? That's lovely patina on that, isn't it? Hey, absolutely gorgeous that. So just bear in mind that I'm a newbie for this, but I hope you can see my friends. I want to class you as my friends. There you go. Now, oh, this is a surprise. Look what we've got here. I have never done this before. Look at that beautiful, beautiful pallet fork. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're getting beautiful that. Now, the test is when I finished all this and clean it, I've got to find the parts and I've got to get it working again. Now that's going to be a challenge itself. That was the pallet fork, that was the escapement wheel, and I think this is the seconds wheel. I think so, because that there is where it goes for the seconds wheel. This one is the Hauer wheel. Does it look any? That was a bit of rubbish on there, but I've got it off. Look, there's the Hauer wheel, I think it is. This one is the 4th wheel. I'm not sure. You can please tell me in the comments below, please. It will be most helpful. But it looks fine. I've just got to find a few more parts for it, that's all. So what do you suggest, my friends? This one, I don't know what I'll do with it. Let's have a look at the other side, shall we? Just needs a bit of a clean. Everything seems to be in order, I think. Yeah. Put it. There you go. Right. There's that there. What I'm thinking we're going to do, I'm going to leave these parts in there. I want to see, there's a jewel broken there, look. Just there. Yeah, that's another thing I've got to sort out. Okay, but thank you for watching my channel. I hope this is entertaining for you, as it was for me, but it's the first time I've done it before. Thank you ever so much for watching my channel, and hopefully you like it. Hope so. Thank you, bye bye.